Guys, tomorrow, Saturday, June 11th, we're having my birthday cruise. The cruise is gonna be in San Diego, California, so if you guys are in the area, be sure to come through. The last two birthday cruises in 2021 and 2020 were awesome. So I'm super excited for this year, this 2022 birthday cruise. Tomorrow, we're starting at 4 p.m. in South San Diego. We're then moving on to Del Mar around 5:30, and then from there, we'll head out to Barona Casino. And that pretty much is gonna be like a whole sunset type of vibe, so it's gonna be so sick. Super excited for tomorrow. I hope to see as many of you guys there. Let's have fun. Most importantly, let's keep it safe, respectful. Yeah, guys, hope to see you all there. Alright guys, these are my favorite all-time videos to make ever. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Exhaust videos, like I said, are my all-time favorite videos to make ever. And we have an exhaust video today. Just take it out the box. AWE just sent me their new Touring Edition Catback exhaust for the BRZ/GR86. Now you guys may be wondering, why did I take off literally my entire exhaust? We have my old Catback right there. We have the headers that were on the car. These are Tomei unequal length headers, as well as a catless front pipe. Now you guys may be wondering, why did I take off the headers and everything? So pretty much I wanted to get the full experience. They made this exact exhaust right here for the second gen, the 2.4 liter, the new motors that come with the second gens. And I pretty much want to get the full experience. So I'm gonna put the stock headers back on, as well as the stock front pipe. We're gonna get some sound clips with the stock cats in the car, and to give you guys some detailed sound clips and a comparison with this new setup. Now, if you guys don't know, the old Catback that I had on the car, the MXP Comp RS, is literally for a first gen FRS or BRZ, just like that one right there. So no more first gen parts are going on the BRZ. We have, like I said, a newly designed exhaust specifically made for this car right here. So I got a whole bunch of details right here on the phone. Pretty much all the details about this exhaust right here. Cool thing is, everything is made in the US. Honestly, the thing I'm most excited for is the previous exhaust. I believe this is a 2.5 inch. Coming over to the AWE Touring, this is a massive 3-inch piping. So this car is going to be much louder. I'll go ahead and put in a sound clip right here of what the MXP sounded like when we first threw it on. As you can tell, it wasn't that loud, so I'm very curious to hear what this 3-inch sounds like on stock parts. They told me about this 180 technology in the mufflers, which is pretty much designed around the FA24, pretty much like a drone canceling solution. So I'm super curious to hear what that sounds like while we're driving it. AWE no check engine light guaranteed, as well as perfect fitment guaranteed. Quoted exactly from AWE themselves, as well as a lifetime warranty. So whole bunch of benefits coming from this exhaust. I'm honestly super excited to throw this on the car. Yeah guys, should we just get right to it? Let's go ahead and throw the new exhaust on, as well as get those stock headers back on. Honestly, most hyped on hearing what this exhaust sounds like with unequal length headers. I heard it's super loud, so once we do a little comparison with the stock headers right here, we'll go ahead and swap them out once again, and we'll throw on the Tomei unequal length headers. So this pretty much is going to be probably a 2-video thing. We're gonna have tons of exhaust content coming through on the channel, so I'm super excited on that. That's so cool. It says right here, Touring Edition, and also it says Performance Unlocked. a little bit of patience and some WD-40. Got the exhaust up on the hangers right now. But yeah, got the main part up. As you can see, this thing looks so good already. The massive 3-inch piping, you can see like the badge right there, as well as like all the labeling, so that's so cool. Alright guys, just like that, stock front pipe is on, as well as the stock headers. Time to put on the tips, just to get a little idea of how big these tips actually are. This thing is massive, guys. Look, literally fills up the entire exhaust hole. We got the AWE Touring Catback on with the stock front pipe and headers. So this thing is officially good to go to start up. Excuse me, I'm a little bit sweaty, but like they said, everything fit up perfectly, no issues whatsoever as far as putting the exhaust on the car. And yeah, I think I've done enough talking so far in this video. Let's just go ahead and start it up and hear what this thing sounds like with stock headers. All right, guys, this will be the first startup. So we got AWE Touring with the mufflers on, stock headers, stock cats, stock front pipe. You guys get the deal. I feel like I'm a broken record already, but this startup is probably gonna be a bit different. I'm so used to the catless startups, but let's hear it with this exhaust. Not bad. Headers. Now after these clips right here, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the track edition, they call it. I feel like that one's gonna be super loud. So like I said, I just want to do a little comparison between the touring edition and the track edition. All right, get a little pull. It's definitely not raspy. Honestly, I'm not sure how to explain it inside of the car. I'm gonna let you guys hear it from the outside. All right guys, we made it to my favorite spot to get some exhaust clips. We're out here in the middle of nowhere. We're gonna get some revs right here, and I'll probably do a little bit of flybys and pulls to see what the exhaust sounds like under load. I think that's what you call it, under load. Nice and peaceful out here, and let's make it less peaceful. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna have like a specific sequence. I think I'm gonna just do like 3,000 RPM, and I'll probably do like 5K RPM revs, and yeah, let's see what it sounds like. Do you guys like it? It's honestly not too bad. I thought it was gonna be much quieter, but it has a good tone to it. I really think the 2.4 really makes it a little bit louder. But yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up again. Dude, there's flies everywhere. I'm gonna set you guys up, and we'll do a little bit of drive-bys right here. Yeah, what do you guys think? Honestly, the more it's on the car, the more it's growing on me with the stock headers. It's not quiet. It's not quiet, but it's not super loud. It's kind of in the middle. But yeah, I'm actually headed home right now. We're gonna go ahead and throw on the track edition one, take off these mufflers, and then we'll see what the track edition one sounds like on the BRZ. It's so cool how the AWE is completely interchangeable. All we literally have to do is just swap out the tips over to the muffler delete, and that's literally it, guys. It just swaps over as easy as that. Real quickly, you can go from mufflers to no mufflers in like less than 5 minutes. Just like that, we got the axle back swapped over, so now we have the track edition on the car right now. So no more mufflers, all we got is the little resonator over there. Leave your comments down below. Do you guys think it's gonna be super loud, or do you think it'll just be like a nice little upgrade? Guys, some time has gone by. Had to freshen up a little bit, take a shower, but yeah, we have the BRZ behind us. Car's been sitting for a little bit while I got ready and stuff, so it should be, I guess you can say, an official cold start with this exhaust. Honestly, kind of nervous a little bit. I don't know why. I'm nervous. I feel like it's gonna be... Actually, I don't know how to explain myself. Let's just start it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's actually way louder. Not bad, not bad. It's definitely louder, guys. It's not so raspy, it's just very deep. I mean, given we do still have the resonators on the car, so it's not raspy at all. It has a nice tone to it, not gonna lie. Honestly, if I were to choose between the two and I was on stock headers, I would definitely go with the track exhaust. It just sounds much, ooh, and it still has the pops too. It just sounds much more aggressive than the touring one. I would say the touring one is like good for, you know, like road trips and like daily driving, but at the same time, I just feel like the track one is still good for that. Like, and it's not obnoxious at all. Like, it's very tame. It's so sick too because we still have the exhaust or the pops. Alright guys, we just pulled up to this one spot. I filmed a few exhaust videos with the WRX here. Got some exhaust clips when we threw the new exhaust on that car back when we had it, so I decided to come through the same spot again and film some more with the BRZ. So we'll give it a few revs just like the previous one, and I'll go ahead and take off up and down this road and see what it sounds like under load. So the wind is a little bit bad right here, so I hope the audio doesn't come out crap. What do you guys think? Do you guys like that one better or the touring one? Let me know down in the comment section below. Honestly, I forget what the touring one sounded like. But I know this for sure sounds a little bit louder, so drop your comments down below. What would you guys pick over the two? Really reminds me of the WRX, what it sounded like when I put the Tomei on that car. Tomei without like the J pipe, without the downpipe or anything, just Tomei on the stock WRX. I feel like this sounds exactly like that. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little comparison between the AWE Touring versus the Track Edition. Hope it kind of helped you guys in any sort of way if you guys were looking into buying this exhaust. I know a few of you guys messaged me on Instagram and we're curious to see what these two exhausts sounds like because they just came out with it for these cars. So I wanted to give it some sort of proper kind of review and comparison before any of you guys go out and spend the money on whatever exhaust you guys choose. But yeah, like I said, I hope it helped in any way, shape, or form. I think it sounds good, but me personally, I feel like it needs some supporting mods, so we're definitely going to be throwing a set of some unequal length headers on the car that I have at home. The loud exhausts are not for everyone, but that's just me. It's definitely just my taste. But I know a ton of you guys appreciate exhausts just like this one on the car right here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, today's little comparison. When you guys are watching this, I believe the cruise is going to be tomorrow. So I think this video is going to come out on Friday. So tomorrow we're having the pretty much yearly birthday cruise that I always host every single year around the time of my birthday. My birthday is on June 13th. So this year it's going to be on June 11th, Saturday. Hope you guys can make it. I'm looking forward to seeing all you guys there. I know a lot of you guys come through, usually in the past birthday cruises, so super excited for this one. This one's gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna be at sunset, so it's gonna be a whole different vibe. Super excited. But yeah, anyways, huge shout out to AWE once again for sending out the exhaust. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna be throwing the headers on the car. Just stay tuned, guys. I know it's gonna be so sick. It's gonna sound pretty crazy, so be on the lookout for that video. I'm gonna try to get that out ASAP. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, drop me a like on this video. It helps out so much, as well as comment down below what you guys think. And yeah, guys, with that being said, hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.